Welcome back to the channel. As you know, this is Raw Code S5, and today I'll be taking through the JavaScript code, how to add the JavaScript code to an already written HTML and CSS for a calculator. Okay, so let's get into it. So as you can see here, this is the JavaScript calculator, and this is the HTML file for it. So, okay, these are the numbers. As you can see, this is also the CSS part of it. This whole part of it, okay, and this is a JavaScript that you are going to put on. All right, so let's run this and let's see how the interface looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, very clean. As you can see, nothing is happening. Once I click on it, nothing is equal to nothing is happening. Okay, all right, so our job here is to add a JavaScript code to it for it to function very well, for it to accept input and all that. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's go to IDE. Okay, so JavaScript. All right. So this is where you're going to type the JavaScript code. All right, let's get into it. So start, say const, then previous operand, previous operand. Okay, text is equal to document dot get id dot hold on get element by id. All right, it's already here. Okay, so for the sake of time and for the video not being too long, let's use the help of our AI. You know, this code has been already written, so it has learned it. So I just have to click on tab and it just, you know, lessen the font. So const operation button is here. So tab. Let's clear this. It's supposed to be data. All right. Okay. So this to be. Let's clear this. Hold on. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. All right. Okay. So let's clear this. Okay. Supposed to be action here. All right. So let's continue. Let me space out this side. So we have the top one being um. All right. So let previous operand. Okay. It's here. Let current operand. Okay. Let operation now. All right. So let's update the display function. That is going to display what we are going to see on the screen of the calculator. So let's give it a function. So update this. Okay, current. Oh, hold on. Current or print text. Yeah. Uh, so um, so two codes then zero. Yeah. Set it to zero. That's the initial number you're going to see every time. So if statement. So let's give it a if statement here. Okay. So okay. So first we set the previous operand text. Then okay. Uh, it seems fine. Let's clear this. We don't need that one. We need operation, okay, is equal to question mark. Yeah, we need this. Yeah, that's what we need. All right, so let's continue. So add, uh, let's do the function for the add numbers. So this function is going to add numbers to the screen. All right, so this function is we are going to need this. Okay, it's going to add numbers to the screen. So now let's do function for um uh, to choose an operation. Yeah, a function to choose an operation. Let's do that. So this is a function for it. Tab. Let's go. This is a function for choosing an operation from the calculator. Okay. So use it complete. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So another function to compute. The compute function. So it is for the calculator to do some memorizing here. So we are going to use a switch statement for the calculator to calculate all the arithmetic, the numbers and all that. So for the first case, you're going to use plus. Now hold on, then I need to close this. Okay. Yeah. Let's close this. Okay. Let's bring it down here. All right. So the first one is case for plus. We are using switch statement for it. Okay, so that's the for plus, then subtraction. All right, let's go. All right, this is very common handy. Okay, that's multiplication. Let's go to division. There's a forward slash. Okay, tab. Then um, default return. Okay, so these are the four operation signs we need to for the computer to compute. Okay, so let's do for the clear function. The C. If we want to clear there's a function for it. Okay, operation is cutting now. Yeah. Then the delete function. Also, let's do that. Um, yeah. Okay, first let's do the last clear last entry function. The clear entry function. Okay. So there's a function for it. That's a function for it. All right. So let's go to um, the delete function. Oh, sorry, supposed to be the delete last digit function. Digit digit function. So this needs to be a comment. It's not part of the code. All right. Okay. So backslash forward function. All right. So let's give it a function. So there's a function. Hold on. Okay. So there's a function for it. All right. Um, so let's close this. All right. Okay. All right. So we are making the function for number button event lister. Okay. Oh, hold on. Right, so click. All right. Number button click. Let's change it to number button click. Okay, so there's a function for it. It's already been done. Already been tackled. Yeah, tab. We're gonna need this and this and that. Okay, we close that. Let's close it. All right. So there's the operation button click. Let's do that. Yeah. So there's a function for it. Okay. Tab, tab, tab. All right. Yeah. Button dot inner text. Um. Yeah. Now you're going to use const action. It's equal to button dot, yeah. Then an if statement. No. Use switch statement action. Then we do for each of them. So it is going to case switch. So add. Alright. Choose operon, yes. So this function is going to let us choose the operation sign we want, and it's going to communicate it to the algorithm of the calculator for it to be, for the numbers to be calculated. This one for equal to compute clear all. Yeah, good, good. All right. Okay, delete. That's default return, and let's close it. Yes, update. Yeah, gonna update it every time. I'm going to update the display. Yeah, update display after and previous. Okay, previous of brand and current. No, I think I made a mistake here. Yeah. So yeah, so this is the initial display update. Okay, that's for it, and that's for the. Okay, so that's everything, guys. That's everything. So um let's see if there's anything. So let's run. Let's save it. Let's run. So okay. So it seems not working. Let's find out what. Let's refresh. Okay, still not working. Still not working. Let's see. Let's find out. All right. Mm, okay. So let's see any problem here. No, it's not still coming. Oh, okay. So we complemented it, so let's leave it. Let's save it. Okay, so should be working now. Should, yeah, it's working now. So 17 times 9 is equal to 153. That's correct. That's clear. Okay, 8888. So that one too is working. 999. Yeah. So all clear. It's working. 70 plus 30, 100 plus. Okay. 13 plus 6 is plus 9 divided by 9 is equal to. So that's decimal. So everything is working perfectly, guys. That's everything. That's the menu and everything. So guys, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.